If you have poor standing stamina, do this 80-second routine every day. We're gonna start off by doing 20 seconds of side leg lifts. This will increase muscle endurance in your side glutes. Not to mention, it will help with balance and stability. Your glutes play a huge role in standing stamina. That's why we're going to train them even more with the next exercise. We're going to do some reverse leg lifts. Keeping our leg as straight as possible, we're going to lift them to the back. Remember not to arch your back. If you have dormant glutes, it can translate into poor standing stamina. We want them to be engaged at all times when you're standing, but when you live a sedentary life, they go into a dormant state. So let's wake them up. That goes for your hamstrings too. We sit on them all day long, and when it's time to stand, they're pretty much in a dormant state, making other parts of your body like your knees and your lower back come into play. That's why we get that back pain and that knee pain. They're overcompensating for those weak muscles that should be activated when you stand. And that's especially true for your core. So we're gonna go into a plank position, an elevated plank position, and we're gonna do some mountain climbers. This is gonna help stabilize your core. It's gonna help also strengthen your hip flexors, which is really important too. Just make sure to tighten up those abs and control that movement. Do a few rounds daily.